So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC biology exam revision series, we have here these two questions to answer on the topic concept of living. So guys, this video will be about plant structures. So in short, to stay till the end of this video. So let's quickly go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, lateral meristem in flowering plants is found in the A. cortex, B. cambium, C. pericycle, D. pith. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's the cortex. So the lateral meristem in flowering plants is actually found in the cortex. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. Question number 2 here, it says, in both dicotyledonous and monocotyledonous plants, the root hairs originate from the A. endodermal layer, B. epidermal layer, C. cortical layer, D. piliferous layer. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, and that's the piliferous layer. So in these monocotyledonous and dicotyledonous plants, the root hairs actually originate from the piliferous layer in the plants. So that's it for that question. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, we also want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on WAEC examination. So this will be very helpful to you even as you prepare for your WAEC examination for the year. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.